Starting caregiver services can feel overwhelming for families who are unsure about the process, timelines, or expectations. At Life Circle, we simplify this journey by following a clear, transparent, and well-structured approach so families can begin care with confidence and peace of mind. The process begins when families reach out to Life Circle through a phone call, website inquiry, or by visiting a city office. Customer relationship executives carefully understand the family's situation by discussing the senior's age, medical condition, daily care requirements, preferred duration of care, and household setup. This initial consultation helps Life Circle understand expectations clearly and recommend the most suitable caregiving solution. Once the initial details are gathered, a nurse supervisor conducts a comprehensive care assessment, either through a home visit or a teleconsultation where applicable. Based on this evaluation, a personalized patient care plan is created. This plan outlines medication schedules, nutrition requirements, mobility support, hygiene assistance, daily routines, and any special instructions such as dementia care, palliative support, or post-surgical recovery needs. The PCP becomes the foundation for all caregiving activities. Using the patient care plan and family preferences, Life Circle carefully matches a caregiver based on experience, training, and compatibility. Families are introduced to the matched caregiver before deployment to ensure comfort and alignment. Every caregiver undergoes strict Aadhaar, PAN, and police verification, along with bank linkage checks, ensuring transparency, safety, and trust from the very beginning. Before care begins, families sign a simple and clear service agreement that defines responsibilities, duty hours, and scope of work. Pricing is explained upfront with no hidden charges, and families can choose convenient billing cycles such as monthly or fortnightly payments. Digital receipts and documentation ensure complete clarity throughout the service period. Caregivers are typically deployed within 24 to 48 hours in most cities, and in urgent situations, deployment can happen within as little as 12 hours, subject to availability. A nurse supervisor or customer relationship executive introduces the caregiver to the family, explains the patient care plan in detail, and ensures everyone is aligned before regular caregiving begins. Starting caregiver services does not have to be complicated or stressful. With Life Circle's structured, nurse-led, and technology-enabled process, families receive the right support quickly and transparently. From the first inquiry to ongoing supervision, seniors receive consistent, professional, and compassionate care at home. Here are a couple reviews about our onboarding process from current Life Circle clients. Get started today. Contact Life Circle by visiting lifecircle.in, calling 079713674041, or downloading the Life Circle app. Please like and subscribe for more elder care videos.